A cozy living room with a plush couch, soft lighting, and a fluffy ragdoll cat lounging gracefully on a cushion. Welcome back, feline enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ragdoll cats, those enchanting, floppy bundles of fur that have captured the hearts of cat lovers worldwide. But before we delve into the special characteristics of these remarkable felines, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming content. Now, let's talk about what makes ragdolls truly unique. One of the most captivating features of these beauties is their docile and gentle nature. Unlike other breeds, ragdolls have earned the nickname puppy cats for their tendency to follow their humans around the house and even greet them at the door, just like loyal pups. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of a cat that goes limp when you pick it up? That's right, ragdolls possess a fascinating trait called limpness reflex, where they relax their muscles completely when held, giving them that distinctive floppy appearance. It's like cuddling with a living, breathing plush toy. Now, here comes the moment you've been waiting for, the big reveal. One of the lesser-known facts about ragdolls is their surprising affinity for water. That's right, folks, these seemingly delicate creatures actually enjoy splashing around in the tub, or even joining you for a dip in the pool. But wait, there's a twist. While ragdolls may have a penchant for aquatic adventures, they're also known for their luxurious, semi-long fur, a combination that might seem counterintuitive. So how do they manage to stay afloat without turning into soggy messes? Well, it all comes down to their unique coat texture and water-resistant fur oils, which help keep them buoyant and dry. And just when you thought ragdolls couldn't get any more fascinating, here's another surprising fact: their striking blue eyes. Unlike most cats, who typically have amber or green eyes, ragdolls boast mesmerizing pools of sapphire blue that seem to pierce straight into your soul. It's like staring into the depths of the ocean. But wait, there's one more thing you need to know about ragdolls before we wrap up this video: their incredible intelligence. Despite their laid-back demeanor, these cats are anything but lazy when it comes to mental stimulation. From mastering complex tricks to solving puzzle toys, ragdolls love engaging their brains and showing off their cleverness. So there you have it, folks, the fascinating world of ragdoll cats, filled with floppy cuddles, aquatic antics, and mesmerizing blue eyes. If you've fallen head over heels for these enchanting felines like we have, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cat lovers. And as always, stay tuned for more perfectly delightful content coming your way. Thanks for watching.